Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I am bringing you some grocery hauls. I am showing you a meal plan, and I'm also going to show you a quick and easy one-pot mac and cheese. So we are going to start off here with the Whole Foods haul. I did Whole Foods pickup. There was a ton of stuff on sale with my Prime membership, so if you have one of those and a Whole Foods, I encourage you to do the same. I'm going to start out here with a garlic bulb and a whole head of broccoli. I got some bananas and 2 beefsteak tomatoes. I got 3 nectarines, some of my favorite fruit, and some baked tofu. You know I like to put that in sushi. I got some frozen white rice, which also is really great for sushi, as well as some of this fruit and veggie clean wash, and that was in the sale section. Some Whole Foods have it. I haven't seen it in all of them, but it really has some great stuff on there. Some stuff that I've been wanting to try that were, just outrageously priced. So I'm happy I checked out the sale rack. I did get some pita crackers as well as some organic hearts of romaine. I got some organic yellow potatoes and some mini sweet bell peppers. I really love those. And then I got this Big Sur breakfast burrito. This is by Sweet Earth, and it has tofu, peppers, potatoes, fake sausage. Really, really tasty. I have some fresh ears of corn here and the Spanish blends of olives. I really enjoy olives. Put that down in the comments if you do, because I am the only one in my house that likes them. I have some dinosaur kale this week for smoothies, as well as some fresh guacamole. This is my favorite guacamole ever. It is just so good. And then, of course, my favorite marinara sauce, the Rouse Homemade. I did get some mini cucumbers for hummus, and they are just really good with salt and pepper, to be honest. I got some wild mushroom and herb rice pilaf. That was on sale, as well as these pumpkin bark thins that barely made it home because they are just so good. I'm showing you this because it's a expired day or two, whatever, and I really was unsure about it, but I'm just not going to use the seasoning packet, although it would probably be fine. And this is all that I got. It's a small haul, but I shopped my pantry before I went ahead and purchased these items. And now we are moving on to Target. There were a few things that were just out of my price range at Whole Foods, and I went to Target instead. So, like I said, just a small haul from Target, but I wanted to include it because it is part of our weekly here. So I have some country crock plant butter. It's pretty cheap at Target, $2.99. And then I have some whole wheat pasta for our recipe coming up soon. I got some of these Good and Gather organic strawberry and blueberry bars for the kids. The Good and Gather was on sale. If you spent $25, you got $5 back. I got these carb balanced street tacos. I'm not necessarily watching my carbs. I just wanted to taste it, and the sugar is really good in there. There's little to none, so that was good. And then I got these frozen buffalo style wings that my husband said were pretty good, not the best, but they do the job. They are a little spicy, and I'm sorry if you can hear this cricket. I'm outside voicing over, so I can't help it. I got some Justin's peanut butter, the dark chocolate kind. I got some mangoes and banana. And then I got some sweet potato fries. You may be wondering why I got so many bananas. My daughter really loves them, and we had 2 in the car, so we just really needed more than what we got at Whole Foods. I did get some cauliflower veggie tots. Those are my favorite. And now I am going to be including my plant haul. I got a lot of plants, and I want to show you. All right, so I figured since we are doing hauls, I would give you my plant haul as well, alongside with my grocery hauls. So over here, I got some Dracula flowers. I don't know how to pronounce this. I think it's Celosia, not sure, but they are beautiful. They're these crimson red colors, super, super nice. I have some Hummingbird Haven flower mixes. We have some hummingbirds, but they kind of just buzz past, so it'd be nice if they would stop in our yard so we can check them out. We have some burgundy amaranth. I cook with this. If you do, drop it down in the comments. I know it's a rare thing to cook with. And then over here I have some, this is a fairy tale pumpkin for Wilder. I got it for him. He really loves pumpkins. I got some spaghetti squash right here. I have some ancho chilies, like a poblano pepper. I do have some rainbow tomatoes here, as well as some sweet potatoes. Over here, I have some Brussels sprouts. And right here, I have some big rainbow tomatoes. I have some black rim tomatoes. This one's pretty big. And then over here, I have what I thought said lemon. I didn't even bother to pick it up. It's a lemon cucumber. I've been fooled. It says it's a unique cucumber with lemon yellow color. So I don't know what it will taste like. We shall see. Pretty interesting. I have a sugar baby watermelon. I have a yellow baby watermelon. And I have a squash. And that is all the plants that I got this week. Trust me, there will probably be more. But this is what I'm gonna get in the ground today. It's actually pretty windy and there's some tornadoes to the east, so we are gonna stay inside right now. But I wanted to pop this on here because you know how much I love my veggies and fruits and plants. I typed out my meal plan for you this week, so go ahead and screenshot. If you want any exact recipes, just ask me in the comments down below. I would be happy to give them to you. Now for our easy one-pot mac and cheese. This is satisfying for everyone in my home. I will leave the full recipe typed out in the description box down below, but it is so easy, so basic, and it was very, very hearty for the very stormy weather we were having. I will share more about that in some future videos. Alrighty everyone, that is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this grocery haul, meal plan, and easy one-pot meal. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and say hello when you get down in the comments. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll see you next time, y'all. Bye.